The continuation part of shell scripting services, the tutorial series. Today we are going to talk about exit status. In shell scripting, today we are going to learn the topic name is exit status. So what is the exit status? Let me explain with a scenario. So guys, right, the shell scripting means the list of commands we are writing sequentially one by one in order. All of the commands we are executing with a single file. The single file we called as shell scripting, the script. Okay. With that, we are achieving manually running the commands and wait for the results. Then we can run the next command and wait for the results that we can avoid. So by using the shell script, we can run it on multiple systems, even remotely also. So right now, everything we are practicing locally. Going forward, we will practice the remote installation as well also. We can practice. That's not a problem. The concept of the today is in this particular shell script execution, if any one of the line command, maybe wrongly if you have typed, the command is wrong. The command is not executed successfully due to wrong spelling issues. Okay. So the particular shell script, it won't affect, and you'll go to the second line, the next line, and you'll go to until end of the line in the script file. It will run all the commands in the script file. Finally, the job will get completed. Whether it is a successful job or failure job, no matter what, it will get completed. So again, I'm giving an example. In the list of commands in the shell script, one of the particular line, the command is wrong command and the command is not executed, but shell script is not bothering about why this particular command is getting failed, and it runs the second command once it is success and continuously run each and every command in the particular script. Go to until end of the line in the script, all the commands it will run, and finally, whether positive results or negative results, it will display. So you please think and let me know, is that process is a correct process or wrong process? Is that correct process or wrong process? Don't be silent. Okay. So please give me your answers, whether it's good or bad, no matter what. Try to answer the question. This is not exam, right? Murli? Yeah, Sampath, please go ahead.
Sir, it's a correct process, I think.
It is the correct process. Okay. Murli, what about you?
Sir, it's correct process only, sir.
Correct process. So even in the lines, okay, if the commands are giving in the particular script, once you're running all the commands, if you're running one command, if it is not running, there is no problem. Yeah. Yes, you'll be considered,
Yes, sir.
right? There's
Yes,
not a
yes.
problem. So why we are running these commands? What is the purpose we are running the command? And each command should be successfully running and to complete the final job. Yes. If one particular line is not executed, it is getting failed, the remaining commands are successfully run. Do you consider this process is correct process?
No, no, Rajesh.
No, right? Yeah. So maybe you're a doctor. You have a 30, 40 subjects in your final semester. Okay, final year. Maybe one paper you are missing. Shall I give MBBS certificate to you to practice? Hmm? It's not correct, right? So what is the purpose we are conducting the exam? To clear the exam, right? So now here, why we are writing the command? The command should be satisfied. The command should run. Then it will give the results. Yes. So if the command is missing in the particular line, it is going to the next line. It is going to the next line, until the completion. Finally, it will give that wrong results. Okay, that process is not correct process. That is not a safe method. Okay, that is not a safe method. Okay. How can you check that it is a failure job or successful job? How can you get that? How can you check that it is a failure job or successful job? So successful job means the each command, the execution results, the value equals to 0. It's a successful. The execution of the command value between 1 to 128, it's a failure. It's a failure. But this information, it will be stored in the dollar question mark. So this is the dollar question mark, which is called result repository, which is called result repository. So this result repository, which is in a hide state, which is in hide state on the Linux operating system. So whenever you run any command, the code will get executed, the command will get executed, but the result, positive results or negative results, the value will be stored on the dollar question mark. If you check that value, if you check that value dollar question mark is equals to 0, it is a successful result, and the value between 1 to 128, it is a failure results. Is that clear? Okay, let me explain in Telugu as well, because of most of my Telugu audience are there. Chetan, I know you're from Bangalore, right? You're from Bangalore?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you understand that concept clearly?
Yeah.
You're clear right now?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to explain in Telugu. Okay. So guys, very simple అండి. నార్మల్గా ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్లో మనం ఎన్ని కమాండ్స్ అయితే మనము టైప్ చేసేసి రన్ చేస్తున్నామో ఒక పర్పస్ఫుల్ జాబ్ కోసం చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే. సో ఆ పర్పస్ఫుల్ జాబ్ అనేది సరేనా, మనకి ఒక పర్టికులర్ కమాండ్ మనకి ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయినా కూడా మనకి పర్పస్ఫుల్ కాదు. మనం అనుకోవచ్చు ఒక కమాండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాకపోతే ఏముంది, మిగతా కమాండ్స్ రన్ అయినాయి కదా అనేసి. ఓకే. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అంటే మన భాషలో నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే. సో మీరు ఒక దేవుడికి వెళ్ళి ఒక మొక్కున్నారు యాక్చువల్గా, నేను 101 ప్రదక్షిణ చేస్తాననేసి. ఓకే. 100 చేసినారు. ఆర్ యూ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్? ఓకే. ఇంకా మీ మొక్కు తీరలేదు కదా. ఎందుకని? ఇంకా ఒకటి పెండింగ్ ఉంది కదా. సో అట్లనే ఇది కూడా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో మొక్కు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో పెండింగ్. సో ఏదైనా ఒక్క పర్టికులర్ లైన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాకపోయినా కూడా అది ఫెయిల్యూర్ కిందకే వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మన 10 స్టెప్స్ అయితేనే మనకు ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందని మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఒక కమాండ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయితే మిగతా 9 కమాండ్స్ రన్ అయినా కదా అని మనము కంప్లీట్ చేస్తామా? లేదు కదా. ఆ కమాండ్ ఎందుకు రన్ కాలేదో మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలా చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనకి ఈ పర్టికులర్ స్క్రిప్ట్లో ఛాన్స్ అనేది ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే ఫెయిల్ అయినా కూడా కంటిన్యూ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇలాగా ఒక కమాండ్ ఫెయిల్ అయిందా లేదా అని చెక్ చేయడం అనేది మనం చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఆ కమాండ్ యొక్క వాల్యూ అనేది మనము వెరిఫై చేయాలి. ప్రతి ఒక్క కమాండ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిందా, ఫెయిల్యూర్గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిందా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. లైనక్స్లో ఉండే ఒక బెస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ ఏంటి అంటే, ప్రతి ఒక్క కమాండ్ యొక్క సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఎగ్జిట్ని ఒక వాల్యూలో స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. ఆ వాల్యూయే డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. ఓకే, డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అనేది రిజల్ట్ రిపాజిటరీ యొక్క వాల్యూ. అంటే రిజల్ట్ రిపాజిటరీ అనేది ఒక టెంపరీగా ఉండే ఒక స్టోరేజ్ ప్లేస్. రిజల్ట్ అనేది మీకు తెలుసు, మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, ఫలితం. ఇది వాల్యూ అనేది మనకి 0 వచ్చిందనుకోండి, సక్సెస్ఫుల్‌గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిందని. ఒకవేళ 1 to 128 మధ్యలో ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ వచ్చిందనుకోండి, అది ఫెయిల్యూర్ రిజల్ట్ అని మీనింగ్ అనమాట. ఇది ఫెయిల్యూర్ రిజల్ట్ అనమాట యాక్చువల్. ఇలాగ మనకి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ రిజల్ట్, ఫెయిల్యూర్ రిజల్ట్స్ అని 2 రిజల్ట్స్ అనేది ఈ డాలర్ క్వెషన్ మార్క్ అనేది చూపిస్తుంటుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్క కమాండ్ రన్ అయిన వెంటనే ఈ డాలర్ క్వెషన్ మార్క్ యొక్క వాల్యూ మారిపోతుంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా కాన్సెప్ట్? అర్థమైతే జస్ట్ షో మీ థమ్స్ అప్. అంటే మీరు థమ్స్ అప్ చూపించిన వాళ్ళందరూ నేనేమనుకుంటా మీకు అర్థం కాలేదనుకుంటున్నా. సరేనా? మళ్ళీ అదే టాపిక్ చెప్పాలా మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి? కిరణ్, డూ యూ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్? నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆర్ ఓకే? Okay, fine. Good. So Meena, thank you for your typing and the chat. ఓకే. గైస్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటే అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. ఎంత బాగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటారన్నది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే. ఫైన్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద రికార్డ్ సెషన్ వన్స్ అగైన్. సో everybody is clear what is a result repository about the dollar question mark, the successful result and failure results. How can you check that? How can you check that the results will be? Suppose the results will be, we can check like this, whatever the command you can run, after execution, you can please run the command echo space dollar question mark, and it will run that the value will be 0, that means successful result. Suppose this command I am running lss space hyphen ltr is a wrong command, and it will be showing this command is not found, and the value will be stored on the dollar question mark. I'm trying to get the value echo dollar question mark. Now I got the number is 127. Is 127 is the 127 is a failure results. So that's why it is showing here. So this is a successful result and this is a failure results. Okay. So now I'm going to, okay. Now I'm going to access my, okay. I'm going to access my AWS account. And click on EC2 and go to the instances. I don't have any instances in my account. What is the problem? My instances are not showing here. Then what is the problem? Can anyone troubleshoot this issue?
Maybe
Selected area, sir.
wrong location.
Location.
Exactly correct. So I need to switch to mobile location. Good. So now I'm going to connect my Amazon Linux server. Okay. I'm going to start my Amazon Linux server. So rest of the 2 servers which is running in my system, I'm going to shut down. And let me connect to the server. Mumbai AL 001. EC2-user. Now I'm getting an error. So what is the problem here?
Security.
Sorry? What is the problem here?
So wrong key.
Server refused our key. Server refused our key. Somebody is giving an answer, correct answer. Lady.
So wrong key.
Wrong key. Okay, that's we can troubleshoot. Wrong key.
Security.
See, Mumbai AL 001 is there. Right click, go to connect. SSH client. What is the key pair name? This is the one, right? MUNAL 001 hyphen key pair. Now, I open the putty. Copy an IP address and go to SSH authentication, credentials, Mumbai AL 001 key pair. Is that correct only, right? So somebody is telling security group. Who's this? Somebody's lady is giving an answer.
It's a
Raj.
Karmi.
Meena,
Sorry,
is that you?
Rajani, sir.
Rajini. Okay, Rajini. Okay, Rajini is saying that the issue with the security group. Let's see and check the security group here. The security group, and we can go to check the inbound rule. Port number 22. Port number 22 is already is available. So SSH connection. Even security group also not an issue. Any answers? So can we carefully we can check that? Shall we
Sir,
carefully we can check
maybe
that?
it's a key pair format.
The key pairs, the key pair only
Format,
we
sir.
can check that. Mumbai AL. Okay, where is Mumbai AL key pair? Yeah, Mumbai AL 001 key pair. Okay, hyphen Mumbai is there. That is a different. This is a different. So I'm suspecting that the wrong key pair we are selecting. Yeah. So let's go to the desktop. In my cloud drive, I can check this key pair. Mumbai AL 001 hyphen key pair. Means this is a correct key pair now. Now what do we need to do? Open putty. And now select the key pair from the cloud drive.
Rajesh,
Yes, please.
sometimes your letters are blurred. Are you same for everyone or for me only? Actually, screen share letters.
Screen share later. Sir, please confirm, guys, others.
Yeah, it's
స్క్రీన్
clear.
కొన్నిసార్లు బ్లర్ గా అవుతుందంట. సో శంకర్ గారికి సో మీకు కూడా అలాగ అవుతుందా ప్రాబ్లం?
No,
Yes,
sir,
clear,
it's
sir.
fine.
Okay, maybe Shankar from your side. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, please check that. Huh? I'm not using Wi-Fi also. I'm directly using the wide connection. Mostly I don't get any problem from my side. Please check. Huh?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I'm using server with the LAN connection. Okay. No Wi-Fi. So definitely you'll get a good clarity, everything. Huh? So now I'll go to the keypads. Now select a Mumbai AL, open it and click open. EC2-user. Now the key is accepted. Okay. That's a very good troubleshooting. Okay. But anyhow, whoever participated for answers, really appreciate it. Let me increase the font size. Good. Now clear the screen. Clear command. So now clear command we have written. So clear also is a command, right? So can we check that clear command, the result will be 0 or maybe value between 1 to 127. So what is the command to verify? Echo dollar question mark. What is the value here? 0. Suppose now CLS I'm providing, command not found. So now I'm giving echo, the value will be 127. Is a wrong command or right command? Wrong command. So now ls is a list of directories. It is showing now. Now you can check that it is a 0 value. That means it's working fine. ls has wrong command 127. You understood, right? So when we are running the commands with the wrong statement, the value will be written 127. It's a wrong value. It's a wrong command. But come back to this concept. But Linux is not stopping the, okay, but Linux is not stopping the shell script when you're executing. Okay. So I will take small scenario now. I'll take a small scenario now. So then I'll write a 4 to 5 commands. Then after that, I will run that shell script. Maybe third line or fourth line, I'll make it some wrong command I will create. Whether this particular script will execute until end of the line, or maybe when the error is come and the particular line will get exited, that we can check here. Now can go to the server, clear screen, ls. Now these all the data is available, right? Now all this data is available. Now rm space hyphen rf, okay, space star. I'm going to delete entire data in this particular location. Star means entire data. Now type ls, there is no data here. The complete data I have deleted. Now this machine is a very fresh machine. There is no data here now. Now I'm going to create one scenario. Now I'm going to create a one scenario. What is a scenario? So vi demo1.sh, demo1.sh. So now some demo I'm going to show you. Press insert. So what is the first line we have to write? Rajni, what is the first line we need to write in the shell script?
Ash,
Okay. Colon /bin /bash. What is the name called? What is this line name called? ఈ లైన్ ఏమంటామండి మనము? చేతన్, what is the line we called as? Sandhyarani?
Command line.
No. This particular line, what we called as?
Package.
No, shebang. Shebang, SHEBANG, shebang. Okay. So, lady bangle. You have to please remember these two words. Shebang. Okay. Next, we are planning to create one directory name. We are planning to create a one directory. So mkdir is the correct command. I'm creating it. So what is the directory name? So project one directory we are creating. After that, we are connecting to this particular directory. What is the command? cd change directory project one. Now we are into the project one. Now we are trying to download some file. wget. Now trying to download wget command we are using. So what is the software we are going to download? Suppose I'm going to internet. Okay. There is a software name called Tomcat. Okay. There is a Tomcat download. Go to this website. Okay. Go to this website and copy this link. Copy the link and you can paste here. Now, next line. Now, with this wget, the file will get downloaded. Now, after that, this file will download, right? This file will download. So now I need to unzip the file. Now I need to unzip the file. Now I need to unzip the file. So what is the command? What is the unzip command? What is the unzip command, guys?
TAR
Okay,
space
TAR is correct. TAR star
space XV
XV
ZF
ZF, and this
space
particular file name I need to mention that. Huh? So now this file will get downloaded. In which location it will download? In this particular project location it will download. So what is the next step? I'm planning to remove this particular zip file. I'm planning to remove this particular zip file. So
RM
rm space hyphen
hyphen RF.
rf. So what is the file name? This particular file name I need to delete here. After that, this particular zip file was unzipped, right? Already. So what is the name you'll get? This is the name you'll get here. Until this is the name you'll get. So now this particular name is very big. I want to change the name. So that means mv command, and this particular zip file, the name, this is a very big name, right?
Slash.
So now I'm rename it to Tomcat. I'm rename it to Tomcat. Okay. I'm rename it to Tomcat. Then after that, I want to install Java application. Java application, then only Tomcat will work. So now the command is sudo yum install Java space -y. So here I'm giving -y means it will ask the y to install the Java. So that's why I'm giving the -y. So after that, So once Java is installed successfully, okay, now
Question.
I want to go to this particular Tomcat directory. I want to go to the Tomcat directory in the bin folder. So what is the path here now? What is the path here?
CD.
CD,
Bin.
CD,
Bin.
Tomcat / bin. So now previously only the Tomcat file is there. I'm writing on the project one directory. Now after that I'm writing the CD Tomcat bin means now it will go to the Tomcat bin location. So here I need to run the file name called startup.sh. Now we need to run that startup.sh. So this is a sequentially I'm creating the shell script I'm running to succeed my Tomcat installation. Yes or no? Everybody's accepting now? But one of the line we will create a error. Okay? We will create some error. Okay? One of the line we will make it some error. Which line we can make it error?
XVZR.
XVZR. Okay, XVZF. Instead of that, we will do that. So definitely, if this command will get executed, it will stop, right? Huh? Normally it will stop. So now I'm going to XVF. After that, I'll give the Z. So now I'm going to escape :WQ exclamatory and save the file. I'll save the file. Now I will run it. sh demo1.sh I'm running here. See, Catalina is started. Catalina is started. What happened now? What happened now? You can check this. Slowly you can check this. Now I'm running this particular command, resolving with this location, and it is file is downloading the apache.zip file. The apache.zip file will be unzipping now. So unzipping command, whatever we given, that is also accepted. So now you can please check that ls, the project one was created, cd project one and type ls. Now Tomcat was created and the file also unzipped. So I think so even xvzf fz also is a correct command. So that's why it is was giving a wrong assumption. So then what we can do now? I will write one more script and we will satisfy the job. So instead of we writing this, okay, instead of we writing this, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to Win SCP tool. I'm going to open. Okay. Win SCP tool is there in my system. I'm going to connect the server. What is the username? EC2-user. And click on advanced authentication and select the key pair file. Now successfully I have connected. This is a demo.sh file is a, I'm going to open with the Notepad++. So guys, you can open with the Notepad also, Notepad++ also can open. But one thing is, in your system, Notepad++ you need to install. So Notepad++ is nothing but it's a Notepad only, but advanced version of Notepad. Okay, Notepad++ you can type like this. You can go here and you can download the latest package and install it. So after that, you can go to any file and you can open with the Notepad++. You will get like this. So properly you'll get. In normal Notepad, you will not be able to access like this. No, that's the reason. See, these are the commands. Perfectly, it will be showing in the color coding. What is the command? What is the statement? Everything we can check that. So this is a remove file, right? This is the remove file. This is the remove file. This remove file, I'll give that RSM. I'm giving the command is RSM. RSM. The command I'm going to run here. Going to save here also. Going to save. But when you're saving the file, when you're going to save the file, go to the edit. End of line conversion should be Unix because this command, everything is a Unix commands, Linux commands, right? So, but when you're opening with the Notepad++, this command you should recognized as a Unix. If it is a Windows means you can select Windows. If it is Apple systems, Macintosh you can select. Macintosh means Apple operating system, iOS. Okay. Now I can close this and I'm going to putty. I'm going to putty clear screen, type ls. I'm going to cd dot dot. Sorry, I think cd space dot dot. Now type ls. Now here I'm going to run the file. What I'm trying to do, rm space hyphen rf. The project one file I'm going to remove. Now can type ls. The complete file was removed. Now, once again, I'm going to run the demo.sh. When I run this, okay, which command was not executed successfully? Which command is not executed successfully? Normally, can you please check this? Which command is not executed successfully in this list? Can you please let me know?
RM.
Line number 6, right? Yeah. If line number 6 is not executed successfully, what will happen in this particular project? So the zip file will still remains on the directory location. Yes, is that correct? Type ls. Now can see this. What happened? Okay, the project one, cd, project one. Now can type ls. See, the Tomcat file also is available. The zip file also is available. But what is our condition we have written? What is our condition we have written? Hey, this command I have written, but this command is a wrong command. This command is a wrong command. Definitely $? Value will be 127, not 0. So in this case, once the command will be running up to tar, if you're unzipping that, now this file we need to remove. After that, it will be moving this particular a folder will be changing to Tomcat. But in this condition, the Tomcat name also it is changed successfully. The Tomcat name also changed successfully. Okay. But unfortunately, the code was successfully executed. The particular script is successfully executed. As per the rule, we need to stop and it will be displaying the error. So this is a drawback in shell scripting. This much of time I'm explaining. This is a drawback. That's what I'm trying to explain. So even if you're giving a wrong command, so it will check that it's a wrong means, okay, it is wrong, but it will go to the next command. It will not stop the script and it displaying, hey brother, hey sister, can you please check this error, and your whatever the command you written, this is a wrong, it will not displaying to you, because shell scripting is a innocent, it's a blind person. Shell scripting is a blind person. Whatever the command it will giving, it will dumbly it will do that, whether it is a successful command or a failure command, no matter what. Now please tell me, uh, everybody you understand this concept? మీకు అందరికీ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైందా? First I'll go with the Chetan. Is that clear from your side?
Yes, got it.
Sorry, Chetan?
Yes, got it.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో మిగతా వాళ్ళు చెప్పండి. సో మీకు అందరికి అర్థమైతే చూద్దాం, లేకపోతే ఎవరైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను వేరే విధంలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తా.
Understood, sir.
Perfect. But in this concept, okay, this is not a proper system. Okay, because of the way it is working, it is not correct. What he is doing, that is okay, but how it is performing, that's very bad. Okay, now what we can do? So this particular drawback, okay, this is a drawback we can call it as exit status. This exit status, it's properly, it's not following it. So that's why the condition system there was implemented. Conditions, if condition is implementing in the shell scripting. You know guys, if it is available, you please come. I'm asking Shankar, you please meet me tomorrow. The condition is, if you are free, if I am free, you please come. Either one situation, if you are either Shankar is busy, either myself is busy, no, tomorrow there is no meeting. Understand, right? What is meaning if condition? If you are free, you please meet me. But the condition is, if I am free, then only I'll meet you. Otherwise, not possible. If Shankar is free, if he is coming to me, no, I will not give the appointment to talk to Shankar, because I'm not free, right? I'm busy with meetings. Okay. So now, if condition, if expression is true, we'll go to the next line. If expression is true, we'll go to the next line. If expression is false, it will not go to the next line. It will stop here. It will stop here. This is called conditions. So you understand, right? What is a successful result and failure result in the example number 1? And coming to the second one, example number 2, that I have written very big script and I explained it. Okay, you understand very clearly. So even this is a small program. Okay, I explained in the previous batch, but I explained for you guys. I have written some big script. Okay, so even this is also you can look at here. LSS space hyphen LTR is a wrong command. LS space hyphen LTR is a correct command. So now you can see this. The value will be, you need to stop here. We need to stop here. If you want to stop, it is not stopping this. See, LSS command not found, but the second, immediately the second command it is running, and it will be showing the, what are the list of files. This is a drawback of in shell scripting. This is a drawback of shell scripting. If you are using the if condition, okay, the job will get success. If condition, if you are using, okay, if condition, if you are using the scenario, the job will get success. Shall we write this condition, the program, if condition? Shall we write now? Yeah. So I'll keep this side. Now I'm going to clear the screen. Type ls. Okay. And cd space dot dot. type ls. Now the demo.sh, we can keep it like that. rm space hyphen rf. The project one we can delete. Okay. Now we can use the same demo one and we will write in the if condition method. If condition method, I will write it. The same file, I'm going to write in the if condition method. So now the line number 2. The line number 2, the command is this one. Hey, if this command is okay, So what is that? So that means dollar question mark. Dollar question mark is a result repository value. So is not equals to 0. Is not equals to 0. Okay. Is not equals to 0. So that means the condition is, you can give space here and you can give semicolon. Then, sorry. Then command we need to use. Here we need to print the value. Here print the value. Previous command is wrong or maybe failure. Okay. Understood. Then you need to exit. You understand? Then finally you can close this block. F5. If F5 is a quite opposite, the closing. If is opening and F5 is a closing. So now you understand this command is equals to 0, then we'll go to the next line. If it is not equals to 0, means then it will run the echo. The previous command is wrong and it will stop the program. So that is the condition we are writing here. Okay. సో మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా నేను రాసిన లైన్ మీకు ఏమైనా అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాను ఎంకేడిఆర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 1 అనే లైన్ కరెక్ట్ కమాండ్ అనుకుందాం. అది కరెక్ట్ కమాండా లేదా మనకు తెలియదు అనుకుందాం. ఓకే. సో దానికి ఒక కండిషన్ రాసాం. ఇఫ్ బ్లాక్ రాసాము. ఇఫ్ బ్లాక్లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది మీకు తెలుసు. ఏంటి డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది? వాట్ ఈస్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్?
0 127.
రిజల్ట్ రిపాజిటరీ. ఓకే. ఈ రిజల్ట్ రిపాజిటరీకి వాల్యూ 0 కానీ లేదా 1 to 128 అనేదని మనం చెప్పాలా. అది నేను ఈ కండిషన్ ద్వారా చెప్తున్నాను. హే, నువ్వు డాలర్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ వాల్యూ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అంటే ఏంది? అది 0 కాదు అని మీనింగ్. అంటే అది 1 నుంచి 128 వరకు ఉండొచ్చు. ఏదైనా వాల్యూ 1 to 128 అనే వాల్యూ ఉండొచ్చు. దెన్ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? నువ్వు ఒక వాల్యూని డిస్ప్లే చేయి. అంటే ఏంటి? ఎకో అనే కమాండ్తో ఈ లైన్ని ప్రింట్ చేయంటున్నారు. అంటే ఏమనేది? నేను ఒక యూజర్కి ప్రీవియస్ కమాండ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అంట నాకు చెప్పాలన్నమాట. అది అప్పుడు నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఐఎమ్ ఎ ఫూలిష్ మ్యాన్. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు నో వెన్ ఐ రీడ్ దిస్ మెసేజ్ ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, ద కమాండ్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. Just give me a minute. సో దెన్ ఎగ్జిట్. ఎందుకు ఎగ్జిట్ చెప్తున్నాము? నువ్వు అర్ధాంతరంగా ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ ప్లీజ్ స్టాప్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. డు నాట్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. అంటే ఏంటి? నువ్వు దీన్ని ఫిక్స్ చేయకుండా ఇంకో దాన్ని పోవద్దని చెప్తున్నావు అనమాట. Okay. Now the same blocks we can return for every command. Shall we write now? So this same block we need to write for every value. This is a command. Okay. Then we need to write a block. This is a command. We need to write a block. This is a command. We need to write the block. This is a command. We need to write the block. This is the command. This is a write the block. This is a command. We need to write the block. Last command koste emundi. So last command where it is okay, fine. We'll write it. So do not give any spaces. Okay. So this is the script I have written. Okay, if I'm showing you, definitely you'll get confused. So that's why first line I have explained. Now I'm going to run the script. Now you guys tell me, are you clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is that
Okay.
Fi, sir, in the end of if command?
F5, yes, correct. F5, reverse. If F5, IF is if, F5 is a closing one. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. Closing.
closing, yeah, closing. Going to file, save, edit, UL, end of line conversion is already this one. Now I'm going here, clear screen, type ls, sh demo and hit enter. So now you can please observe this. Please observe this. What happened? All of a sudden the script was stopped. All of a sudden the script is stopped. Previous command is failure. What is the command? RSM. Is the correct, right? RSM is a wrong command. Obviously, the RSM is a wrong command. Okay. Now this value was stopped. Now you can check here. Now can check here. Suppose if this particular RSM, if it is not successfully done, so will this particular the folder will be converting into Tomcat? It will install Java. It will convert
No.
into the bin folder and it will run the startup.sh. No, nothing will run. Okay, because here itself the program is stopped. And it is showing that yes, the previous command is wrong. Now you can check the ls. The project one is created. Now you can type ls. See, this particular unzip and this particular remove was not happened. Okay, the Tomcat folder was not renamed. I hope everyone is clear now. Yeah. So this is called a if condition method. If condition method, this is the way we are using it.
Sir,
Yes, please.
సార్ ఆర్ఎం దగ్గర చూపిస్తుంది కానీ XVZF దగ్గర చూపించట్లేదు. ఎర్రర్.
XVZF దగ్గర ఎక్కడండి ఒకసారి చూపించండి. నేను స్క్రిప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను. ఏ లైన్ మీరు చెప్పండి.
ఓకే.
So which line is you can tell me.
17.
XVFZ ఇది మీరు అడుగుతున్నదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఈ కమాండ్ కూడా కరెక్టే అంట, నాకు కూడా తెలియదు. టుడే ఓన్లీ ఐ నో అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఈ కమాండ్ కూడా కరెక్టే అంట. ఇది అన్జిప్ చేసేస్తున్నది. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
This is the only wrong command. This is the only wrong command. So first command దగ్గర మనం ఎర్రర్ చేద్దాం ఈసారి. Yeah. In the first command itself we can error mkdir. Okay. Go to file, save, and go here and clear screen cd space dot dot ls rm space hyphen rf. Now can check ls. Now sh demo. See mkdir, the first line itself, it's a wrong command. and it is a previous command is failure. Okay. So that's for today's session. Okay, that is for today's session. So please wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, please wait a couple of minutes and we'll discuss about okay, your questions. Thank you very much. సో ఇప్పటివరకు మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడెవరైనా అడగచ్చు ఓపెన్గా. నౌ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అండ్ స్టిల్ నాకు కొన్ని కంప్లైంట్స్ వచ్చాయి. స్టిల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రిసీవ్డ్ కంప్లైంట్స్. సార్ నేను ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ నేను 10 o'clock అటెండ్ అవుతుంటే నేను అర్థం కాలేకపోతున్నారు. ఓకే ఫైన్, పర్లేదు. సో దెన్ వీ కెన్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. Whatever the class 10 o'clock I have taken last few sessions, that you can please completely waive off. అది మర్చిపోదాం. సో ఈ రోజు ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా, దీన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. యూ ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్. ఓకే, యూ ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్. అండ్ టుడే నో క్లాస్ ఫర్ 10 o'clock. You will not receive any link for today 10 o'clock. You please practice this shell scripting 100% effort. Okay. And next week lo, maybe weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, I will take this session again. So I'll take the session. So evening, the continuation topic, నేను రేపు తీసుకుంటాను మీకు. Okay, this continuation topic, I will take it from next sessions. సో మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారంటే మరి నాకు కూడా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. మీరు అర్థం కాకపోతే రెండు చేయరు, అందుకనేసి. ఇస్ దట్ ఓకే? సో ఇప్పుడు నిన్న మ్యామ్ అని ఏదైతే జరిగిందో ఆ సెషన్స్ని నేను సెపరేట్గా వీకెండ్స్లో తీసుకుంటాను మీకు సెషన్. అది మీకు బ్యాకప్ క్లాసెస్. సో మళ్ళీ మీరు సాటర్డే, సండే, మండే కూడా మనకి సెలవే కాబట్టి, సో వీ హ్యావ్ a 1 hour 2 hours time is definitely is there. You can practice and from Jan 2nd onwards you can plug into the batch, evening 10 o'clock batch. ఓకే, సో రేపటి నుంచి మీకు ఈవినింగ్ 7 o'clockకి క్లాస్ ఉండదు. ఓకే, ఈవినింగ్ 7కి క్లాస్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు. రేపు క్లాస్ లేదు మీకు, అది చెప్తున్నా. So shell scripting, as of now, whatever I explained, so please practice this one. This much of knowledge is required. You can practice the, okay, the DevOps tool services. Okay. And please do not join today class at 10 o'clock. సో మీకు 1 day టైం ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి, ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్డ్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే యూ ప్లీజ్ రీచ్ us and we can help you.